Here's Nicolette feeding the ducks.
Mom, you better not upload the feed.
And the squirrel. Let's see how friendly they are. This is at our house in Florida. It's the duck/chicken. Let him make him eat out of your hand, Nicolette.
Look at it, little squirrel. You can't find it. Squirrel's in the field.
The big duck is wagging his tail.
Oh,
Maybe it's a mama duck and baby ducks.
you got my whole finger on that one.
I don't let him bite you. There's a squirrel running in the background. Oh, he's behind you, Nicolette. Throw him a little food. Did he find it that time?
Aww. Nice baby squirrel.
He probably likes it because it's got peanut butter on it. You're like Dr. Doolittle. Oh, don't leave that on the floor.
Go like nothing. Oh, he's always so happy. That's it. Good dinner.
There's a squirrel enjoying his peanut butter that Nicolette gave him. Peanut butter. No, what?
Put this on
Squirrel's chowing down on the peanut butter. Don't let him lick your finger.
Why?
He doesn't want to lick your finger.